Good day, everyone. This is Setro, and you're welcome to Setro Craft channel. It's a bit doing this and doing that, my baby. So, but now, today, we want to learn something new just in a few minutes, and you won't believe it. It's just like I'll be showing you from the screen right now how to achieve a cape pencil dress. Just simple, as easy as A and B and C, cape pencil dress, or pencil dress with circle sleeve, whatever you want to call it. For the neckline cut, I'll be using 3.5 by 3.5 inches. The wideness 3.5, the depth 3.5. We'll be using the following measurement parameters: bust 38, shoulder to nipple will be 11 inches, then half length position is 16 inches, then we'll have the shoulder to hips location, it's 25 inches, while the hips is 40 inches. Then we'll have the dress length to be 44 inches, then we'll have the shoulder or the crossback to be 15 inches or 14.75 inches, and the sleeve, as you can see from the screen, the sleeve is just from the neckline somewhere here, so I'll be using 16 inches. For the neckline cut, I'll be using 3.5 inches for the wideness and 3.5 inches for the depth. So, the shoulder measurements, as you know, it's 15 inches divided by 2, that will give us 7.5 inches. So I can just add half inch for sewing allowance. Then my round armhole, for my round armhole is 18 or at times 17. So I'll just use 8.5. If you don't know how to achieve this, please, you can check my video on how to achieve a armhole perfectly, or how to cut your sleeve. It's well explained there. So after that, I go to my work, shoulder to nipple position. That's 11 inches. So there I'm taking the bust measurement. The bust measurement is 38 inches divided by 4. The front is on 2/4, the back is on 2/4, so you have 9.5 inches. So these are 9.5 inches here, 9.5 inches. Then you could add 1 inch sewing allowance, or I like adding much allowance, so I'm going to add 2 inches. Then from my shoulder to my underbust measurement is 14. So the round underbust is 31. Divided by 4, that will give us 7.75. This is my 7.75 here. 7.5. So I still had the normal 2 inches around. Then the half length position is what? 16 inches. So the waist measurement is 34 divided by 4 will give us 8.5. So I have my 8.5 inches here by 2 inches. So we go to the new hips location. For most persons, 25, 26, just like that. I'll be using 25. So this is where I'll take the hips measurement. So the hips is 40 divided by 4. That will give us 10. Those 2 inches sewing allowance. And I've got the dress length to be 44. So this is my 44 here, and just 1 inch for the allowance, so just the length of the dress. So what do we do right now? For the hem line, I'll go in by 1 inch. Instead of making it from this location, instead of making it that same 40, that is 10 here, I'll go in by 1, I'll make it 9. It all depends on how tense you want it to be by the hem line. That will determine how shapy it will be. So with 2 inches. So we connect our points. Some persons really like their hats to be really thin, so you could go in by 2 inches just to be so fitted on the hemline. So it all depends on you. So you've got the option of doing it the way you like. So with this, I'm taking my dart. We're taking my dart from this nipple position here. The nipple to nipple is 8 inches divided by 4. 2 will give me 4. So I'll take this line up to the half length position. Taking 1 inch dart from my underbust location this way, 1/2 inch on both sides. So I'll be extending it to the nipple position and also the navel position. So having achieved this, good to go. Just cut out your dress and you are good to go. What just we need right now is to cut out our back panel of our pencil dress. Then we now achieve our cape. Okay, cutting out our back panel for our pencil cape dress is as easy as A and B and C. So why you just do it? You place your front panel on the fabric this way. You leave your 1 inch allowance for the zipper. Yeah. Okay. If you're going to be using the zipper, but if you'll be needing more than that, but for me, I want to use this 1 inch. Then the neckline, you could achieve same neckline if you so wish. But for me, I want to use this same 3.5 inches. By what? I'll be using the same 3.5 inches wideness by depth 2.5 for the back neckline. So. Back, you now want to achieve the cape. Achieving the cape or the circle sleeve, what you need to do is, the neckline. Remember, it's going to be starting from this nipple position. It's going to be starting from the nipple position. So somewhere here, as shown on the screen, down to the nipple position. So you calculate from here to the back neckline what you'll be having. So that's what you will use to achieve the circle sleeve for the back. So is around 2.5, 3 inches here, 3 inches here, and the back neckline about 13. So that's all. 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 will give us 19. Let me just say about 20 inches to achieve the depth of the circle. To achieve the circular sleeve that forms the K, just like you're achieving your circular skirts or your peplum skirt or whatever, if you don't really know much about that, you can visit my video on how to make a circular skirt. So it's as easy as A and B and C. With your folds this way, just fold again. So what's going to guide us on this circle sleeve cape-like cut is what we're using as the circumference, and that's the neckline. We said we're using 20 inches. So 20, this fold is into 4, so you divide by 4, that will be 5. So you just do a quick glance, because so many people, there's a calculation for it, a formula for it. You can check it in my circular skirt video. But if you don't want to use that calculation, just use this simple logic. What will give me 5 inches? So let's see. What's giving us 5? So let's say 3¼ inches on both sides. Try hard. Giving us a circumference of 5 inches. You see, it's even underneath or thereabouts. So we're good to go with that. So you just get it well. So what's the length? We've actually said that we'll be using from shoulder to about 16 inches for the length. So these are 16 inches here. So plus the whipping allowance and sewing allowance, we can make it 17 inches. So you get the 17 inches round this way. 17 inches, 17 inches. That has to be 17 inches round. So we're good to go with our circle sleeve. Just divide into 2. One part will form the sleeve from here to the back, then the other. Can you see? It's like it comes from the nipple position this way, and this also will come to go to the back, just like that. So by the time I'm through with sewing this dress, you're going to see it just now. Okay, so this is just how to achieve your pencil dress, pencil cape dress, or pencil dress with circle sleeve, whichever one you want to call it, in few minutes. I believe it's been nice time together. Please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. And our July online class is on, where you learn from anywhere in the world and you'll be a pro in fashion. I love you all. Till I come your way next time. Bye-bye.